Hey guys, today I want to introduce a new product that I got on Amazon. It is a pistol grip. It's a rubber pistol grip sleeve that goes on the sauer p320 M18. It is from Hogue. So I have the sauer p320. It's unloaded, just so you know. Alright, so let's put this sleeve on. It's pretty flexible. It's brand new, so you have to like break it in. It's gonna be pretty hard to put in because it's supposed to fit nice and tight. Alright guys, so I've finally got this thing on. If you're gonna buy one of these, just be advised, it is a battle to put on. It feels very good. You can get a nice full grip on there. It makes this pistol part a little bit thicker and comfortable. Now we're gonna test it out with the mag. It's an empty mag. I just want to see what it looks like and to make sure it's not in the way, that the rubber part is not in the way. Yeah, and there you have it guys. The Hogue sleeve grip. See you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Take care.